before, after, before, after, before, after. So these are the extensions. I think they look good. First off, I want to say, if you choose to do this method, you do so at your own risk. So if you want to find out just how I achieved these brows, then just keep watching. Well, the first thing that I did was I got my tweezers and my little tiny scissors. I like to trim my brow hairs first and then tweeze them, just because I find that it's better that way and I don't over tweeze when I trim them first. The next thing that I did was I just used my Lash Tight Ardell glue. I just took one of the brow extensions and I dipped it in the glue and just placed it where I wanted it on my brow. Places where there were hairs, but it wasn't as full. Now I know what you're thinking. There are so many horrible reviews on this adhesive. People said it didn't come off, the glue remover burned their eyes. Well, I'm not using it on my eyes. I am using it on my brows, and I'm not attaching the glue to my actual hairs. I'm attaching it to my skin. Now, before y'all hate, I have been wearing these for about 5 days now, and I actually really like them. I saw Amber Scholl's DIY eyebrow extension video, and immediately I went out and I bought some eyebrow extensions from Amazon, as well as some eyelash extension glue. I did this a few years ago previously, but I bought the dark tone glue, which did not turn out so well. I liked the extensions that I had done previously, but because I used the dark tone glue, I had these little like dots all throughout my eyebrows, and it just looked really bad. I did find myself having to fill them in with some matte brown eyeshadow powder, but other than that, I like the way that they turned out. I think they look good. So after the brow extensions dried, my eyebrows looked really shiny, like really shiny, and it was kind of like, ooh. What I ended up doing is I just took some matte brown eyeshadow and just filled them in. As I took a brush and I just tapped the brush with the product onto the eyebrow hairs. I didn't rub it in like how I normally would, because I knew if I did that then I would mess up the extensions and probably some of them would come off. So I just tapped it into my brow hairs and it ended up looking really good. It made the shine go away. One of the things that I didn't do, but if you choose to do this, and it would have been helpful if I did it, I should have taken some like pointy tweezers or my eyebrow brush and moved aside my real hairs and then placed the brow extension where there was a bare space, and then just moved my real hairs back. But I didn't do that because I was using a handheld mirror while I was doing them. I wasn't doing it in front of a hanging mirror. It would have been helpful if I had a magnifying mirror, but I don't own one, so I just used what I had. They are waterproof, but after I take a shower, I make sure that I gently dab with my towel. I don't rub or create any friction in this area. That is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you guys want to see an update video, let me know in the comments below, so I can tell you how well they lasted, how long they lasted, and how I feel overall about using the Ardell glue. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you are already a subscriber, hello! Welcome to the family, and I want to know who you are. So please comment down below your name and where you're from, like Tanya from Alabama, or I don't know. I just want to know who you are, and I will give you a shout out in my next video. Bye guys!